Hey guys, do you know you can edit your thumbnail just using CapCut? I'm going to show you how to do it on my smartphone. Without wasting much time, let's dive into it. I'm sorry I said CapCut, it was InShot. The time I made the video, I couldn't change it. So it's InShot. So let's start. First of all, you're gonna upload the image you wanna use to edit your thumbnail. I'm gonna be using this my image here. As you can see, I've uploaded my image, the photo I want to use. Then you put it on 16 by 9. Then you cut out or you remove the background. After I remove the background, then you add background, a colorful background. Add the colorful background to it. Make it look catchy. Make it look catchy and attractive. Then you add your icon. It can be a photo you want to point or icon. So in this one, I'll be using Instagram icon. As you can see now, you place it right there like this. You place it there. Make sure it looks good. Then you place the other one there like this. Make it look centralized, like you make it more accurate. Like this, you place it here. As you can see now, it's perfect. Then you place your arrow. You can get all these photos, all these PNG photos on Google. Just type PNG arrow or PNG on what icon you want to download. You can say PNG, Instagram PNG, YouTube PNG. You can get it on Google. Then you just add your photos. You add your photos you want to use, any photo you want to use, then you add it. And as you can see now, I'm cropping this photo now to place it right where I want to place it. I place it here at the bottom here. Alright. Alright. It's not that hard. You just need to know the angle and the setting. To upload photos or PNG is PIP. PIP. You can find it on InShot. PIP, you will see PIP there. Once you tap PIP, you can upload a photo or any image. It's just like a overlay on CapCut. So, but I don't use CapCut. I use InShot. You place it right there. As you can see, very easy. I'm done now. Then you can you can write your illustration. You can write whatever you want to write on the image. 4,000 subscribers. 4,000 subscribers in 3 days. All right. Please see right there. Let me make it smaller. Place it right there. Oh, I need to take that one up. I need to take that one up. So I'm gonna take it up. I'm gonna move this one up and move the other one up too. I'm gonna move the other one up. Let me move this big one up so that I can see space and put my right up. All right, there's a space for me to place my right up right there. All right, you're done. You are done. So easy. I hope you guys find this video very, very, very helpful. All right, your thumbnail is ready to use. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you.